Okay, you recognize this slide as from a class, and also it's in Canvas. This is page 8 of 12, I believe it is, on the first of the inventory marked PowerPoint slides or slides used in class. And I start with this one because I think we're trying to condense the information here this evening. Basically, what this is saying is what all intercompany activity, whether it's inventory or sales of land or depreciable property, all intercompany activity where you're recording under the theory, we're trying to set everything up in the elimination entries as if the sale had never occurred. So that's the basic theory once again. So moving forward, we have downstream sale. This is on inventory, and now the first presentation where there's no unrealized profit. So it's simply act as if the sale never occurred. And what was the sale? Well, the sale was a total of $250,000 of a sale that was a credit on the parent's books. This is downstream. So the parent had recorded a sale of $250,000. So since they had recorded that as a credit, this is a debit, negating that sale. And then the subsidiary had recorded purchases as a debit in the amount of $250K. And thus, to look at our entries that we're doing the way you see it here makes all the sense in the world. The entry that we made, of course, at this point is we did a credit the cost of goods sold for the whole amount, and that's okay too. It's basically the same thing if you think of the formula of beginning inventory plus purchases minus ending inventory equals cost of goods sold. So if you're trying to lessen the cost of goods sold to act as if the profit between the parent company and the subsidiary company never occurred, because the sale, that wasn't really a sale of profit, it wasn't to the outside world, it was only later profit to the outside world. So if you're trying to act that way, reducing purchases becomes the same mathematical equivalent in the cost of goods sold equation. Alright, moving along, downstream sales where there's unrealized profit left over because there's some inventory left. This slide ends the group, and we'll move on and continue this in the next video, but it basically describes that when it's downstream, the parent records the intercompany profit, thus the parent's income needs to be adjusted in consolidation. How that gets done is what we'll see in the next go-around.